Hey Aggies, this week's writing assignment involves you becoming a journalist. That's right, you are New Mexico State's Journalist of the Semester. You are going to be using this article template to help you create your very own newspaper article that explains the 5 early explorers that came to California. Now, in front of you, what you're looking at is going to be the template. This is where you're going to be creating those paragraphs talking about Gaspar de Portola, Sebastian Vizcaino, Juan Rodriguez Cabrera, Sir Francis Drake, and Vitus Bering. This column right here is going to be just for some interesting facts that you may have learned about the early California explorers that you want to include. Now, all of the information for this newspaper article is going to come from your assignment that you've been working on this week in social studies. So let's take a look at that really quickly. On Tuesday, your assignment was to complete the chart for Gaspar de Portola, Juan Rodriguez Cabrera, and then today, your assignment is to do the column on Sebastian Vizcaino, and on Thursday, you'll be working on Sir Francis Drake and Vitus Bering. Now, you're going to be doing a little bit of both for your writing this week. You're going to be working with this document and also with the newspaper article itself. So you're going to need to decide how many paragraphs you want to get done each day. You just need to be sure that your newspaper article is all ready to go by this Friday. The publisher cannot wait to get your article. They have to put it out in this weekend's newspaper. So let's take a look at the newspaper template itself. Right here, when you click in this box, you're going to see a text box, and it's labeled Title for Gaspar de Portola. All of the other explorers also have the same title. You are going to create your own title for it. So think of all of the interesting things that happened with each explorer, and you're going to want to make your heading stand out to a reader. Since it is a newspaper, you want something interesting in your heading. Now, once you come up with your heading based on the explorer, you're going to go ahead and type your information into the text box that comes from this chart right here. Now over here, this square is going to be for a photo of Gaspar de Portola. Notice, I only put his last name just to save some space. Then right underneath the photo, you're going to put a caption to match the photo of Gaspar de Portola. So you're going to want to erase all of this by highlighting it and then going ahead and typing in a caption to match the photo. The same thing you're going to do over here for Sebastian Vizcaino. You're going to need to find a photo of him. Think of a very cool caption that matches the photo, of course, and then come up with a creative title as well. And you're going to do the same thing for Juan Rodriguez Cabrera, Sir Francis Drake, and Vitus Bering. Don't forget, this column right here is for some interesting facts that you would like to include into your newspaper article. And this photo can be whatever you would like as long as it does match the topic for early California explorers. And then make your caption match. Remember, captions are additional information that you're giving a reader. When you're all done, you are going to have your very own New Mexico State Times newspaper article ready to be published.